Good morning, this is Junior TV here with Storm Weather. Today, what we're tracking for today, we have a potential for some severe storms for much of the country. Wind, hail, and tornadoes are possible with a cool down in parts of the Northeast. Also, some winter weather in parts of Maine and New England. And also a flooding potential in the Ohio Valley and Mississippi Valley. So let's first cut to the chase and we switch back over to the Doppler radar. Just show what's going on there. And we have storms right now as of 4 a.m. Central Time here in Arkansas, in the Ozarks region, in Missouri, also up to Springfield, south of Branson. We have a storm near Green Forest that we're watching. Might have some hail if it, some damaging winds. Let's move our map here just a second. Let me adjust this tilt real quickly. Alright. Storms clearing out of Beaver Lake. We got storms over here in Oklahoma, north of Broken Arrow and Tulsa. Those are moving off towards the north and to the northeast. Look at the satellite view. The satellite's loading up data. And you can see this big system starting to move off towards the east this morning. And as the day continues onward, you can see some storm development over here in Texas. Cloud tops building up. Let's switch back over to radar real quickly. Look at this storm in Texas, north of Waco. You can see near Clifton, West, and Whitney. Storms moving off towards the north into the northeast. Wind and hail. Let's look at the VIL data on this storm real quickly. There's definitely some hail potential with this storm. Pretty high values of VIL, almost 80 on the VIL data. Alright, so that's definitely some hail producing storm over here. Let's zoom in this area. So right along, pushing off towards the northeast, south of Dallas. Alright, so let's go to our forecast for today. Let's go back to the graphics too. Let's go to the graphic system. There we go. For today, let's see severe storms from the Ohio Valley southward into the deep south. Snow in parts of Minnesota, Iowa, north, the UP of Michigan, northern Wisconsin, also in parts of New England and Maine, in parts of Canada also. Severe weather outlook for today. We have elevated highest fret is over here in parts of the mid-south, areas like Louisville, Cincinnati down to Memphis, and northern Mississippi, Tupelo, maybe the shoals of Alabama and parts of Arkansas. But everywhere you see shaded in yellow has the fret seeing severe storms. Now the storm relative helicity as of the 0Z HRRR model run, you can see some pretty high values. It peaks as you get to the evening. It starts to increase. But you can see highs overlap with the Cape. It's going to be from east northeast Texas all the way up to the Ohio Valley, everywhere I shaded in that circle area. But even areas outside it has a fret seeing severe storms. High amounts of Cape. And also storm relative helicity, which means the amount of shear in the atmosphere. Shear can lead to wind and tornadoes. Also, there's a flash flooding, as I mentioned, with a rainfall. A level 1 fret in green and a level 2 out of 4 parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, and Arkansas. You see precipitation totals 6 inches of rainfall in areas shaded in purple and pink, with 2 to 4 inches in the yellow and 4 to 6 in the areas of red, dark orange and red shaded areas. So definitely a pretty rainy pattern ahead. Not as much here in the Carolinas, sadly, because we need a rain. But we'll take every bit we can get. All right. for Storm Weather, this is Junior TV signing off. Have a great rest of your Sunday.